Guys, quick one here. Creating an art I'm trying to create something like a sports art, and these are like the list of players I wanted to like create something for. First we have Saka, we have Salah, we have Haaland, and we have Son from Sport. Yeah, so I went with Salah first because I felt I already had like a very, very good image for it. So this is supposed to be come on my sketch. This is supposed to be like Saka. This guy is supposed to be Saka, and then this is supposed to be Haaland. But I'm still looking for a stock image that has something of this composition. Like if I don't get, then I'm going to manipulate it to be able to get exact my exact sketch here. And then this is like the basic, the most important one I'm doing for Mohamed Salah. So what I'm having here, this is just like a rough sketch. It's going to be like him, and then we have the logo of Premier League. No, Liverpool logo will be here. Then let's say Premier League logo would also be here, and then we can now have his name from the back. Now I wanted to put it in front of him, but I wanted it to be a bit easy and not just look plain and ordinary. So I fixed the main text at the back and then had like an overlay of the name on him written across, and then these are like light beams coming from the back, and you understand, it's more like there's a light bouncing on him from the back, and then it's now reflecting from sides and all. So these are just like light beam, and you now have like a white rectangle that will just fill up the space and just kind of make it easy. So this was the approach to it, and these are like the major elements: light, text, and logo, and like just like the major elements. And then so far so good. This is what I've been able to come up with. You can see it on my screen here. This is what I've been able to come up with. Just have everything looking good, popping. It might not really look good on the camera, but when I've exported it and I'm uploading, you guys are definitely going to see it. So it's just like the work. It's what I've done so far, and I feel it has a little bit of texture. If you look close, you see like there's a dots on. Yeah, these are like textures I overlaid to just have this exciting feel. So I'm going to drop this project, let's say before Wednesday, and I would want to hear response feedback if I should go on with the rest, Saka, Haaland, and Son. So just let me know what you think, and I'll see you in my next video.